When I say start, I want you to start counting aloud from 1, like this. 1, 2, 3, until I tell you to stop. If you come to a number you don't know, I'll tell it to you. Be sure to do your best counting. Are there any questions?
No.
Ready? Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50,
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68.
stop.